Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling location and opening Google Maps immediately. This gives the app real-time position. Make sure location mode is high accuracy so maps can use Wi-Fi and GPS together. Once done, open the app and sign in so your places and history sync. When prompted, allow location permission while using the app. This avoids background drains and keeps privacy controlled. Now you're ready to find where you are and begin. You should center the map on yourself by tapping the blue dot or the locate icon. This confirms where Maps thinks you are. Then long press any point to drop a pin and either save it or label it for quick return. If you want a destination, type it into the search bar and pick the right result. Once selected, you can tap directions to plan a route, save to keep it, or share to send it to someone. Doing these steps lets you control and use your exact location effectively. Begin navigation by tapping directions, choosing driving, walking, transit, or cycling, and then pressing start. The app will give turn-by-turn guidance and an ETA. You'll want voice navigation and lane guidance enabled so you don't miss exits. Adjust volume and route options if needed. If Maps shows the wrong position, first toggle GPS off and on, restart the app, and calibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure 8. If that fails, check permission settings. This usually fixes location errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.